Conditional formatting in Excel. This feature allows a user to format the cells as per the predefined criterion. We need to follow the following steps to set the conditional formatting. Go to Format menu and choose the Conditional Formatting option. Specify the criterion of formatting in the Formatting dialog box. Click on Format option. Select the font styles, borders, and any other formatting that you want to apply. Click on OK. Tab Colors. We can give different colors to the names of the worksheets to make them look different from each other. The steps to change the tab colors are: click on the sheet name. Right-click and in the pop-up box, choose the tab color option. Select the desired color from the Format tab color dialog box. Click on OK to see the effect. Using charts. Excel provides us the facility of using charts with the help of which we can represent the data visually through diagrams. It helps to compare data and do the analysis of data. The Chart Wizard button helps us to create charts. Steps to create charts. Select the range of cells containing the data, including the column titles and the row labels, to be plotted on the chart. Click on the Insert tab. Click and select the desired chart category in the Charts group. We will plot a column chart for the data series in this example. Click on the Column option in the Charts group. A drop-down list of chart subtypes is displayed. Select the desired chart subtype. In this case, click on the Clustered Column Chart subtype. The chart appears in the worksheet. Two new tabs, Design and Format, appear in the ribbon whenever you click on the chart.